lesson 1, we'll be treating quadratic equation. Now, quadratic equation is a polynomial whose highest power is the square of variable. What do I mean by that? For example, if I have a variable, remember I told you that x can't be the only variable. You can use any other variable, but you can't use letter O because it looks like 0. Now, let's say you have your x and you have what? You have the square. Now, this x raised to power 2 shows us that this is a quadratic expression. The reason I didn't call it quadratic equation because I have not put my what equals to. If I put my equals to, then it is what it has become a quadratic equation. But for now, it's still an expression. Now this time we are going to know that this is a quadratic expression because of the highest power is 2. For example, now for linear equation, if you have, let's say x plus 1 equals to 2, you can see that the highest power of this x here is what? Is 1. That is why it is called the linear equation. But for quadratic equation, the highest power is 2. And if you are looking at this quadratic equation, it has a general formula in which it is what? Ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0, in which your a is not equals to what? Equals to 0. Your a cannot be equals to 0. Now, this your a, your b, and your c, they are representing number. They are number. For example, this your a here is the coefficient of x squared. Your b here is the coefficient of x. While this c is what? Is the constant number. It's just you relating it with something like this. 2x squared plus 4x plus 8 equals to 0. This your a here is for 2, while b is 4, while your c is equals to 8, and this is 0. So this is the general formula of the quadratic equation: ax squared plus bx plus c. Now, for us to be able to solve quadratic equation, we have a lot of methods that we can use to solve quadratic equation. For example, we have the factorization method. The next one is completing the square method. We have the quadratic formula.